What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie. I hope you all survived the Black Friday madness or are getting ready to unwrap some serious tech this Christmas. There is nothing quite like the feeling of peeling the plastic off a brand new smartphone. It feels like the future until you turn it on, because then the nightmare begins. I'm talking about data transfer, specifically the absolute headache of moving your life from Android to iOS or vice versa. You get the new phone, you're excited, and then you realize your WhatsApp messages are held hostage by two different cloud services that refuse to talk to each other. You know what I'm talking about. Android backs up to Google Drive, iPhone backs up to iCloud, and usually never meet. As someone who switches phones constantly for reviews, this is my biggest pain point. I usually just give up and lose my chat history, but not this time. I found a tool that is basically the best gift you can give yourself this holiday season to save your sanity. Let's talk about it. So here's the scenario. You grab the new iPhone during the sales, you want to move your WhatsApp over. If you try the official Move to iOS app or Samsung Smart Switch, you are in for a ride. But the worst part? The official methods often require you to factory reset the target phone. So if you've already set up your new iPhone, taken a few Christmas photos, or downloaded your apps, you have to wipe it all over again just to get your messages over. And even if you do that, I've had times where the transfer hits 90%, freezes, and then fails. It's scary, honestly. You're sitting there sweating, wondering if you just deleted 5 years worth of messages with your best friends or photos of your dog or your kids. This is where today's partner comes in to save the holidays. This is WonderShare MobileTrans version 5. Think of this as the universal translator for your smartphone. It bridges the gap between Android and iOS without the drama. What makes this version 5 update special, and why it is a must-have tool after Black Friday, is the speed and the capability. Unlike the official solution where you're just stuck waiting for hours, MobileTrans is optimized to be incredibly fast. We are talking 90% faster than the official wireless transfer solutions. And the best part? No factory reset needed. Let me say that again. You do not have to format your new iPhone or Android. MobileTrans can actually merge your old WhatsApp data with the data on your new device. So if you've already been using the new phone for a week, you can still bring in your old chats over without losing what you've already done. That alone is a game changer. Let me show you how easy it is. I've got my iPhone Air here, which is the source, and my Pixel 10, which is the destination. I open MobileTrans and click WhatsApp Transfer. Then I plug in both phones. The software detects them instantly, so then I just hit start. While this is transferring, let's talk about what it is actually moving. It's not just text. MobileTrans supports over 10 types of data. We're talking photos, videos, audio files, your location data, and yes, all those favorite stickers that you've hoarded over the years. And boom, done. And if you're a business owner, listen up, because this also works perfectly for WhatsApp for Business. Most transfer tools ignore the business version, but MobileTrans handles it. If you rely on those client chats for your income, you cannot afford to lose that data during the transfer. Look at this. Everything is here. The voice notes, the funny stickers, the photos, it's seamless. As a techie, I also care about security. Since this transfer happens via USB through your computer or directly via their app, the data isn't floating around in some third-party cloud. It's a direct secure pipeline from phone A to phone B, compared to the official way. This was faster and it was done. It was safer, no data loss, and I didn't have to wipe my new phone. So if you treated yourself to a new flagship phone this sales season, or if you're gifting one to a family member who is terrified of switching from Android to iPhone because of their data, do them a favor. Don't let the stress of data transfer ruin the unboxing experience. I've dropped a link to MobileTrans version 5 right down in the description and in the pinned comment. There are 3 different yearly plans, with the basic one costing less than $20 a year. This is definitely worth it when you consider the time that you will save yourself. But don't take my word for it. Go download it, give it a try, and keep your memory safe. Thanks to WonderShare for partnering on this video and helping me fix my messy digital life. If you enjoyed the video, click that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.